Ready to bridge your ETH between Coinbase Pro and Kucoin. Let's make it happen safely and efficiently. First, log into your Coinbase Pro account and navigate to your balances. Find Ethereum ETH in your asset list. Click on Withdrawal. You will see a window pop up for your withdrawal details. Now, head over to your Kucoin account. Click on Deposit. Making sure to select ETH. Kucoin will then generate an ETH deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully. Triple checking it is crucial. Return to Coinbase Pro. Paste the Kucoin ETH deposit address into the destination field. Enter the amount of ETH you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees displayed and the minimum withdrawal amount. Double check the address and amount before proceeding. Once you're absolutely sure everything is correct, click Withdraw. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication or other security verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the transaction. The transfer is now initiated. The time it takes to appear in your Kucoin account depends on network congestion and the number of confirmations required by Kucoin. You can track the transaction progress on a blockchain explorer using the transaction ID, which Coinbase Pro will provide. Check your Kucoin deposit history to monitor the status. Initially, it will show as pending. Once the required number of network confirmations is reached, the ETH will be credited to your Kucoin account. You've successfully transferred your ETH. Go forth and trade.